Creating a droplet in DigitalOcean is simple and can be done in a few steps. Sign into DigitalOcean. Log into your DigitalOcean account. If you don't have an account, sign up. Create Droplet. Once logged in, click the Create button in the top right corner and select Droplets from the drop-down. Choose an operating system. Select your Droplets OS. Popular choices include Ubuntu, CentOS, or a pre-configured one-click app. Select a plan. Choose a droplet size based on your resource needs. You can start with the basic plan and scale as needed. Choose a data center region. Pick a data center close to your users for better performance. DigitalOcean offers multiple regions globally. Set up authentication. Choose between SSH keys for secure access or a password. If using SSH, add or create a new SSH key for authentication. Finalize and create. Name your droplet and choose any optional features like backups or monitoring. Click Create Droplet. Access your droplet. Once created, your droplet's IP address will be shown. Use this to connect via SSH or access your application.